Are you looking to use Coinbase on your laptop but don't know where to start? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to download the Coinbase app on your laptop quickly and easily. This tutorial is super simple, so even if you're not tech savvy, you'll have it up and running in minutes. First, open up your internet browser. While you can use any browser, I recommend Google Chrome for the smoothest experience. If you don't have Chrome yet, you can download it using Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser you already have. Once Chrome is open, head to the address bar at the top and type in coinbase.com to go to the official Coinbase website. Now here's the trick to getting it as an app on your laptop. Look to the top right corner of your browser and click on the three dots to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Cast, Save, and Share, and then you'll see an option that says Install Coinbase. Click that. A small window will pop up asking you to install the app. Hit install, and just like that, Coinbase will open in its own separate window. If you check your desktop, you'll now see a Coinbase icon ready to use. Double click it, and the app opens just like it would on your phone. From here, you can sign into your account and start trading, checking balances, or exploring Coinbase as normal. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you now have the Coinbase app on your laptop. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick, easy tech tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.